Most people think learning slows down with age, that your brain stops changing after childhood. But science says otherwise. In fact, your brain never stops rewiring itself. This incredible ability is called neuroplasticity. Let me give you a real-world example. Helen, age 82, had never used a digital camera. But when her granddaughter gifted her one, Helen decided to learn. It wasn't easy. Zoom buttons, memory cards, editing apps. It was a lot to take in. But as weeks turned into months, something amazing happened. Not only did Helen get better at photography, she also noticed her memory was sharper. She could focus longer, recall details faster, and even felt more energized. This is neuroplasticity in action. When you challenge your brain with new complex skills, you activate underused areas of the brain. These regions start forming new connections, just like muscles growing stronger at the gym. And the benefits? They go way beyond the skill itself. Studies have shown seniors who learn skills like quilting, language, music, or even coding experience measurable boosts in cognition, attention, and memory. In some cases, this active learning can slow age-related cognitive decline. Think of your brain like a garden. Learning something new is like planting fresh seeds. It stimulates growth, keeps the soil rich, and prevents weeds from taking over. But here's the key. It's not about repeating what you already know. To truly trigger neuroplasticity, you need to tackle something completely unfamiliar, something that challenges you, forces you to struggle, adapt, and eventually succeed. So if you've always wanted to learn an instrument, try painting, or take a digital photography class. There's no better time than now. You're never too old to rewire your brain. Neuroplasticity doesn't have an age limit. You just need curiosity and the willingness to learn. Challenge your mind. Your future self will thank you.